Right, a discrete random variable x takes values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 only, with the probabilities shown in the table below. So we are given the table. Given that ex is equals to 3,9, find the numerical value of a plus 5b. So ex simply means the mean, right? So remember, mean is found by multiplying x with the corresponding probabilities, then you add. So 1 times a, you get a. Then 2 times 0,2, it gives you 0,4. 3 times 0,1, you get 0,3. Then 4 times 0,2, you get 0,8. Then 5 times b, you get 5b. Then equate it to 3,9, which is the given mean, right? So remember, the question in part A wants you to find the numerical value of a plus 5b. So to get a plus 5b, you need to simply move 0,4, 0,3, 0,8 to the right side and make a plus b 5b the subject of the formula. So you now have minus 0,4, minus 0,3, and minus 0,8. So 3,9 minus 0,4 minus 0,3 minus 0,8, you get 2,4. So a plus 5b is equals to 2,4. So the numerical value required here in part A, your answer is 2,4. Right. We move on to part B. Hence or otherwise, find the values of a and b. Give your answer to 2 decimal places, 4 marks. So we now need to find another equation so that we have simultaneous equations, right? What you need to know is summation of probabilities in this table. They all sum up to 1, or they all add up to 1. So it means a, the first probability here, plus 0,2, right, plus 0,1, plus 0,2 plus b again. They must give you a sum of 1. So a plus b is equals to 1 minus the total of the 3 probabilities, which is 0,5. Right, so a plus b is equals to 0,5, which is the second equation, right? So let us align our equations. A plus 5b is equals to 2,4, right? Then a plus b is equals to 0,5. So put negative signs in between like terms so that we less equation 2 from equation 1. A minus a, you get 0. 5b minus b, it gives you 4b. Then 2,4 minus 0,5. What do you get? 1,9. I hope you are following. So divide both sides by 4. But remember, the instruction is to give your answer to 2 decimal places. So 1,9 divided by 4. Your answer is 0,475, which is 0,482, the required 2 decimal places. So to then find a, you simply need to substitute 0,48 on b. So a plus 0,48 is equals to 0,5. Then move 0,48 to the right side. A is equals to 0,5 minus 0,48. I hope you are following. So if you less, you get 0,02 to 2 decimal place, and this is the value of a, then you are home and dry. We move on to the last part of the question. Hence or otherwise, find the variance of x. So var x under this table is found by the formula ex squared minus bar x squared, right? So what is ex squared? You start by finding the values of x squared by raising all the values of x with squared. So 1 squared is 1, 2 squared you get 4, 3 to the power of 2 you get 9, 4 squared you get 16, 5 squared it gives you 25. So now that b, we found it in part in the previous part as 0.48 and a is 0.02. You now multiply the values of x squared with the corresponding probabilities to get your ex squared. So 1 times 0.02, you get 0.02 here, plus 4 times 0.2, you get 0.8. You write 0.8 here, plus 9 times 0.1, you get 0.9. So plus 0.9 here, you put another plus. 16 times 0.2, what you get? 3.2. So you write 3.2 plus 25 times 0.48, you get 12. So you write plus 12 here. Then you put a minus. So remember the mean was given already as 3.9. So I'm going to less 3.9 squared. So this can be punched direct in your calculator. 0.02 plus 0.8 plus 0.9 plus 3.2 plus 12 minus 3.9 squared. You get 1.71. And this is your variance answer. I hope you are following. So I want you to stay tuned as we move on to question number 5.